Hello Cricket Studio channel. I bought the article, English article. Now we discuss this article. Uh, South Africa seal historic ICC World Test Championship. Uh, Trump. South Africa ended 27 years of hunt by beating Australia at Lords to win the ICC World Test Championship 2025. Andy Barker majestic 136 lit the way as the Portuguese sealed a 5-wicket victory to lift this trophy for the first time and end up stretching back to the 1998 Champions Trophy. Australia did not give up without a fight, claiming the of Timbu and Tristan Stubb before Markram was cut at mid-wicket with just 6 runs required have taken his side within touching distance. It was left to David Bitgindam and Kyle Weir to complete the job and spark joyous scenes from the accessible South Africa contingent inside the home of cricket. Weir hitting the winning runs to seal a memorable trump. South Africa resumed on 2:30 for 2, needing 69 more to seal the deal, and would have been pleased to see the early morning cloud give way to sunshine when they took to the field in northwest London. But Australia began typically determined fashion and claimed the early breakthrough. They quiet in the third over of the morning. Cummins finding Boma edge when the Portuguese keeper had added just a single to his overnight score of 65. The upcoming Stubbs survived an Australia review for LBW when the ball was shown to be missing leg stump, with Markram dispatching the next ball to the mid-wicket boundary to take the runs required to 50. Australia bowlers continued to steam and gave themselves a sniff when Stark delivered a beauty which cleaned up Stubbs and left South Africa 241 for 4. The same bowler soon struck Bitgindam on the pads, and Australia again went upstairs. Replay showed the impact was outside the line of stump, however, and the 2023 champions found themselves out of reviews. Markram and Biddingham. David played sensible to inch South Africa towards their place in the history book. The pair rotated the strike effectively and played with the claim which belied the pressure of the situation. Biddingham driving Cummins gloriously down the ground to move the target within 20. Australia took the new ball with 40 required, and Markham uh, created it this massively, whipping Hazelwood to the leg side for 4 from the first delivery of the 81 over. They both South Africa to the brink, but Markham was unable to finish the job. He had played such a key role in orchestrating tipping Hazelwood to Travis Head. Weir joined Biddingham, and the wicketkeeper struck the final blow in the 84 over, driving Stark to the offside to begin the celebration and ensure 11 names will be attached to South Africa cricket folklore to generation rational to come. Scores in brief: Australia 212 all out in the first inning in 56.4 overs. Webster 72, Steve Smith 66, Rabada 551, Marco Jansen 349, and second inning 207 all out in 65 overs. Mitchell Stark 58 not out, Alex Carey 43, Rabada 459, and Ngidi 338. South Africa first inning 138 all out in 57.1 overs. David 45, Timbu 36, Pat Cummins 628, Stark 241, and 282.5 in 83.4 overs. Second innings, Markram 136, Timbu 66, Mitchell Stark 366, Josh Hazelwood 158. Article, English article, photo community.